Today I am going to introduce you to our Thanksgiving planning project. For this multi-day project, you will be planning a Thanksgiving meal and event. You will be using multiple tools you have learned in Tech Apps this semester to complete various parts of the project. You will do one part a day. Be sure to watch any videos there are on each sheet to freshen up your skills. So as you can tell right down here, the only thing you will actually submit in Canvas is the final presentation on day 5. Okay, you're going to be doing something different each day, and finally in day 5 you'll submit it. You'll put it all together and submit it. So on day 1, okay, you're going to be using Google Sheets, and that is to plan your meal. Okay, you simply click here for instructions, and your document will come up. This is your instructions for day 1. It's time to do some grocery shopping. You will be planning a meal for 20 people. You'll have $150 to spend on groceries. Good luck. Okay, so follow these instructions right here. Open the template by clicking here to make a copy. Name the document meal budget. Insert your formulas. Click here to see how. And search online for items you'll need. You can go to heb.com or kroger.com. Okay, here are the requirements. 1 meat, 1 vegetable, 1 side dish, 1 dessert, 1 beverage. You can add any other 2 things. Here's kind of what your spreadsheet will look like. Okay, that is day 1. And make sure that you're watching these. You're clicking any link that's on these sheets. Okay. That's day 1. Day 2 will be in Canva. You're going to be designing an invitation. I'm going to open day 2, and it says, for this portion of the project, you will be designing an invitation to your event using Canva. Here are the requirements. Design it from scratch, no templates. The dimensions should be 5 by 7. Name it invitation so you can find it easily in Google Drive. It needs the date, the time, the location, RSVP information. It will need to say, please RSVP with the Google form we will send out. Okay, so just put that sentence right there, put that sentence on your invitation, and then you'll know what to do when we do a Google form. You may add additional info as needed if you have other things, and the invitation must be visually pleasing, like graphics. Okay, here are some reminders, okay, for your invitation right here for how to do things in Canva, and here are some examples. That's day 2. All right, okay. Let's go to day 3. On day 3, you're going to be using Google Forms to collect RSVPs. RSVP stands for Répondez s'il vous plaît. It's French for saying, please respond and let us know if you're coming so that we can plan appropriately. For this portion of the project, you will be collecting RSVPs to your Thanksgiving dinner using Google Forms. So you're going to need to create a Google form, and here are the requirements. Your form has to have a Thanksgiving theme to it. At least 3 pictures throughout the form, not including the theme, so 3 pictures throughout the form on some of the questions. Your form will need to collect the following information. So here are the questions you'll need for your form. Check mark for yes or no if you'll be attending. Last name, first name, number of guests attending, names of people, notes section. Let us know if you have any special allergies or requests. Would you like to bring a dish? Please specify. Add any additional information you would like to collect to your form. Okay. Go back and add your form link to your invitation in Canva. All you have to do that is see the instructions under tips and reminders right here. Okay. Once again, remember, if there are links, you need to go watch them. This one add link to your Canva design. This will remind you how to do that. Okay. That is day 3. Day 4, you are going to be creating a video, a QuickTime video. You remember we created videos this semester. For this portion of the project, you will be using Apple QuickTime to create a video to share with your guests at Thanksgiving dinner. Here are the requirements. Your video must include answers to the following questions. Explain what Thanksgiving means to you. Describe some of your Thanksgiving traditions. Talk about at least 5 things that you're thankful for, and describe your 3 favorite Thanksgiving foods. Okay? Here are some QuickTime basics. If you kind of forgot how to do it, go watch this. Okay? And then when finished, you need to save it to your desktop. Just go to File, Save, and put it on your desktop. Then you need to upload it to your Google Drive. Once again, here is the link. Share, save, upload, share, and this link does it too. Go watch it, okay? Here's a sample video. You can watch mine to see how I did mine, okay? That is day 4. And finally, day 5 is when you bring it all together, okay? Your final presentation. For day 5, you are going to be putting all the parts of your project that you did the previous 4 days into a slideshow and submitting the slideshow in Canvas. Okay, here is a finished example. If you want to see one, you can click on that. So all you're going to do is click here to open and copy the template. You're not going to create your own Google slideshow. You're going to click here to open and copy the template, and then each slide will tell you what to do. So watch this. I'm going to click here. I'm going to click make a copy. And once it comes up, you'll know what to do on each slide, okay? For example, you can watch this directions first if you want. Follow the directions on each slide to assemble your projects into the slideshow and submit it. You may customize your slideshow to fit your theme, like background colors, fonts, etc., but do that at the end, okay? So let's go down to the next page. It says Part 1, your meal plan. This is where you did a spreadsheet. You're going to take a screenshot of your spreadsheet and post it below. Then you're going to link the image to the actual spreadsheet, okay? So you'll just, and here it tells you in parentheses how to do everything, okay? Select image, insert link, all right? And here is a video on how to do it. Every slide has a video on how to do it. Watch the video, okay? Meal plan continued. You're going to insert a few images that you plan to serve at your meal. By going insert image, search the web. Click here to see how. Every slide, remember, okay? Part 2 is the invitation. You're going to download your invitation from Canva. Remember, download as a PNG and insert it below. Just go to Insert Image, Upload from Computer. Watch here to see how. Okay. Part 3 are RSVPs. This was where you did a Google form. So you're going to take a screenshot of your form and post it below. And then you're going to link that screenshot to the actual form. Watch this video on how to do it. And then finally, Part 4 is the video. You're going to insert your video below. You should have already put it in your Google Drive when you did it earlier. So all you should have to do is go insert video and Google Drive and find it. Watch these instructions on how to do it. Finally, in the end, you're going to submit your assignment. You're done. You should submit this slideshow that you just put everything on in Canvas using the Google Drive tab. Click here to see how. That's it. You guys did an amazing job. Hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. We have learned a lot, and I hope by doing this project you see just how much you've learned in only one semester. It's been a challenging year, but you guys have stepped up to the plate. You're amazing. Have a happy Thanksgiving. All right. See you later.